Plan B, the popular anonymous creator of the Bitcoin stock-to-flow model, has released a very optimistic and bullish price prediction for the leading crypto asset based on his well-known but highly controversial model. In a recent post on Twitter, Plan B highlights his price predictions for Bitcoin as we head into what promises to be an unprecedented bull market for the entire digital assets industry. His post reads, "My forward guidance for 2024 has not changed from October 6, 2022, when Bitcoin was $20,000. Rise into April 2024 having around stock-to-flow model value of $55,000, range between 30K to 100K. Pump after halving, we will hit 100K in 2024. Stock-to-flow target value 532K average, range between 250K to $1 million. According to his post, the pseudonymous analyst and former institutional investor predicts that Bitcoin will continue rising as we head into the April halving event, around which it could be trading at around $55,000, with an upper price band of $100,000 per coin. Plan B is also predicting a pump after the halving, which he believes will definitely take Bitcoin to $100,000. Going into 2025, the analyst expects Bitcoin to keep rising with an average stock-to-flow target value of $532,000, a lower band of $250,000, and an upper band of $1 million. Let's know what you think about Plan B's predictions, while we bring you more extremely bullish news, including the latest surprise from one of Bitcoin's biggest bulls, Michael Saylor. While Plan B is predicting that Bitcoin is on its way to $100,000 per coin, Saylor, the founder and executive chairman of software firm MicroStrategy, is doing a lot to push the crypto asset even beyond that price target. In addition to frequently orange-pilling investors, Saylor has been rapidly increasing MicroStrategy's record-breaking Bitcoin holdings. But Saylor's Bitcoin purchases will take a whole new turn in 2024. According to recent reports, the renowned billionaire investor is going to sell 315,000 MicroStrategy shares worth $215 million to buy more Bitcoin for his personal holding. Saylor, who in 2020 had over 17,000 Bitcoin in his personal holdings, first revealed the plans during the firm's fourth quarter conference call. Here is a clip.
And the first question is for Michael. The 10Q discloses that Michael entered into a 10b5-1 plan to exercise MicroStrategy stock options. Can you please provide further color on the plan and the thought process?
Sure. Yeah, thanks for that question. I was granted a stock option in 2014 with respect to 400,000 shares, which is going to expire next April if I don't exercise it by then. For almost a decade now, at my request, the company has only paid me a $1 salary, and I have chosen not to be eligible for any cash bonuses. Exercising this option will allow me to address some financial obligations as well as to acquire additional Bitcoin for my personal account. Under my trading plan, I plan to exercise and sell 5,000 shares on each trading day, beginning on January 2nd, 2024, and ending on April 25th, subject to a minimum price condition. This means the sale will take place over almost 4 months. If you'd like more details about the plan, I would refer you to the 10Q. I continue to be optimistic about MicroStrategy's prospects and should note that my equity stake in the company after these sales will remain very significant.
According to SEC filings, Saylor Michael is named as the person for whose account the securities are to be sold. MicroStrategy's shares have surged 372% in the past year and closed on Tuesday at just over $685, the highest level since December 2021. The software and business intelligence firm also remains the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, with approximately 189,000 Bitcoin worth about $8.5 billion at current prices. On Tuesday, the company's shares gained 8.5%, despite a market-wide slump in crypto-related stocks. Over the next 4 months, Saylor will be pumping in at least tens of millions of dollars into Bitcoin. Plus, he won't be the only one buying. A few days ago, Bitwise, one of the hopeful applicants for a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund with the SEC, unveiled a grand $200 million seed capital plan for its spot Bitcoin ETF. Seed capital represents the initial funding that allows an ETF to fund the creation units underlying the ETF so that shares can be offered and traded in the open market. Bitwise's $200 million fund is 20 times larger than the $10 million seed investment recently announced by BlackRock for its Bitcoin ETF. Hopefully, as everything progresses further, other applicants, including BlackRock, will announce larger seed capitals to outdo Bitwise. With all of these hundreds of millions and tens of billions of dollars going into Bitcoin, impressive price predictions like Plan B's are completely expected and normal. In fact, the former institutional investor is not the only one with a super bullish price prediction for Bitcoin. Crypto financial services platform Matrixport has also revealed its Bitcoin price predictions for January and the rest of 2024. According to the firm's latest market preview, the expected approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds by the SEC will see the top crypto assets price jump to $50,000 before the end of the month. The crypto financial services platform also predicts that the combination of ETF approvals and the Bitcoin halving will see Bitcoin hitting at least $125,000 before the end of the bull market. Matrixport is also predicting the influx of thousands of institutional investors into Bitcoin. In a recent blog post, Matrixport said, "Institutional investors cannot afford to miss out on any potential rally again, and therefore have to buy immediately when the markets open for trading in 2024. We expect an immediate rally that once again catches investors off guard." Matrixport is also predicting an expected $24 to $50 billion of inflows after the ETF approvals, which will undoubtedly spark a new rally for Bitcoin. This analysis is in response to people who believe that the SEC's approvals are priced in, and all hopes for a post-approval rally will be completely dashed. Going further in its post, Matrixport added, "Although we are not seeing an increase in minting activities at Tether, which would signal fiat into crypto inflows, the fact that prices are rallying might be a sign that there are no sellers in the market and prices are squeezing higher." Meanwhile, crypto commentator and host of the Crypto Traders Club space, Marty Party, has revealed another extremely bullish Bitcoin news, this time about the influx of institutional investors. Over the past 7 months since BlackRock filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF in June 2023, experts have repeatedly predicted that we are on the verge of a historic moment that will firmly and finally take crypto mainstream. Well, they were right. According to Marty Party's post, funds registered as securities are now amending their prospectuses so they can expose some percent of the assets under management to Bitcoin. "A pattern is emerging," Marty Party stated in a recent post on X. "Other funds registered as securities already trading on the Nasdaq are amending their prospectuses so they can now expose 15 to 50% of their AUM to Bitcoin through the spot Bitcoin ETFs," Saylor called it. Here we see Advisors Preferred Trust can now hold 15% AUM in spot Bitcoin through Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. According to the post and SEC filings, the fund may invest up to 15% of its total assets to indirectly gain exposure to Bitcoin through shares of GBTC, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, and Bitcoin futures contracts. The crypto commentator ended his post by predicting that we are now well on the way to $1 quadrillion of spot Bitcoin and crypto derivatives stacked up by 2030. Chris CPA, another Twitter user and Bitcoin investor, commented under Marty's post, noting that the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs will be even more bullish than most people realize. His post reads, "We don't talk enough about the passive mutual fund inflows. Every small cap, emerging market, and target retirement fund will include Bitcoin as part of their risk profile." As many prominent and popular Bitcoin and crypto investors have predicted over the past few months, this is going to be way bigger than we all think. In fact, we believe people will not fully realize the complete scope of what's happening for months or even years to come. To crown all of this exciting and bullish news, here is a recent clip from Mad Money Show host Jim Cramer talking about Bitcoin.
You can't kill it.
No, you can't.
And the late Charlie Munger, who was so brilliant on so many things, was blind to this. Now you can say, wait a second, maybe it's all going to come
Jamie
around.
Dimon has not spared any negative words.
No, but look, I mean, it's a reality and it's a technological marvel, and I think people have to start recognizing that it's here to stay. The SEC's been against it almost the whole time.
Yeah.
Bitcoin is about to perform another wonderful feat. Break Jim Cramer's consistent jinx because there's absolutely no stopping or breaking it. What are your thoughts on Plan B's price predictions and other pieces of extremely bullish news we've shared in this video? Do you agree that crypto is going mainstream and the 2024-2025 bull market could be the biggest ever? Please drop your comments and observations in the comments section below. Also, ensure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.
Hey Savvy Finance enthusiasts, massive shout out for being the heartbeat of Savvy Finance. Your support has been the wind beneath our wings, and we can't express our gratitude enough. Now buckle up because we've got an exclusive deal just for you. Ever wanted a slice of the action? We're offering a golden opportunity to own part of our YouTube channel's potential future revenue. This isn't just an investment, it's an invitation to be a part of our story. Investing means you're not just an investor, you will be a participant in the future of Savvy Finance. No cheesy lines, just a genuine call to embark on this journey together. But wait, there's more. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, become a Savvy ambassador. Share our videos on every platform: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Your shares amplify our visibility, potentially translating to more views and more YouTube revenue. Here's the kicker. If our viewership increases, we would not be just growing financially. We would be making a tangible impact by spreading valuable financial education. Now the icing on the cake. Invest and you'll score exclusive access to our private Savvy Finance Discord. Here you can chat with Savvy Finance, swap ideas with fellow investors, and be at the forefront of exciting developments. Click on the link below to register your Gigastar account. You can also find the link to my offering page in the description below. Get your Gigastar account ready, review the offering details, and let's embark on this thrilling venture together. To the incredible Savvy community, thank you for being the backbone of our success. Your journey is my journey, and together, we're creating waves. Cheers.